The Nord series of phones is the major contributor for the sales of OnePlus, so they have launched the fifth generation Nord 5 and Nord CE5. The Nord 5 gets the most powerful chipset, nicer display, and better cameras, while CE5 gets the biggest battery ever on a OnePlus phone. The Nord 5 gets a 6.83-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with 144Hz refresh rate, 1800 nits peak brightness screen with Corning Gorilla 7 eye protection. You get a inbuilt fingerprint scanner with 50 megapixel Samsung GN5 selfie camera. You get Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage of up to 512 GB. You get back dual camera, which is a 50 megapixel LYT700 main shooter with 8 megapixel ultra wide. You get raw HDR and real tone exposure algorithm from the OnePlus 13 series for both the phones. Both the phones get OxygenOS 15 with 4 promised Android updates based on Android 15. You get OnePlus AI suites such as AI Eraser, AI Summary, AI Reply, and several other features powered by Google Gemini. You get OnePlus Open Canvas multitasking interface as well. The Note 5 gets 6800 mAh battery with 80-watt wired charging and supports reverse wired charging up to 5 watts for watt. It comes in marble sand, dry ice, and phantom grey colors. Pricing starts at 31,999 Indian rupees for 8 to 56 GB variant, going up to 37,999 for 12 variant. Open sale starts today. The Nord CE5 comes with a 6.77-inch AMOLED, a Full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 1430 nits peak brightness screen with built-in fingerprint scanner and 16 megapixel IMX 480 selfie camera. You get Dimensity 8350 under the hood pad with 812 GB of 5X RAM and also up to 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable. The standard features a 7100 mAh battery, which OnePlus claims you get 27 hours of YouTube playback, 18 plus hours of Instagram usage, and 9 hours of gaming. You get 80-watt Superbook wired charging as well. You get a downgraded 26 equivalent 50 megapixel LYT600 sensor along with 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. It's coming in a black mist, infinity, marble mist, and Nexus blue color. Pricing starts at 25,000 rupees for the base 8 128 GB model and 29,000 for the 8 256 GB model.